It's a wonderful opportunity. I really like the fact that this emerging film community is gathering all together in one space, one common space, and that we have the opportunity to meet, share projects, and also discuss several strategy and the world representation of films, co-production opportunities as well. And I believe it's a wonderful initiative. It's the first one, and hopefully there will be more in the future, and maybe even more in depth with real masterclass or exchange for full days of work with younger filmmakers as well. Some projects are definitely in the range of, newcomers, very outhouse, very niche. Others seems to be more commercial, more TV-driven, for younger, with action. I have the feeling that the film community here is getting, a representation of the society, which means out-driven, but also more commercial, with projects that are meant for a younger audience. I believe co-production is a very good way because it gives opportunity for younger producer and filmmakers to meet other pair, to be part of a family of sometimes more, well-confirmed producers or film directors or advisors for scripts, and it gives the opportunity to go in depth for scripts writing and also meet new head of departments to shoot, like DOP or a cinematographer, production designer from other countries, and it definitely increases the level of that you need to meet right now, which is always higher to be part of the International Film Festival circuit. The incentive of 25% is quite competitive. It's a good one. In Europe, it is also a country that is not very represented in movies from all over the world, and it's a stunning country. It's also, I believe, a territory that hasn't been represented a lot. So it deserves definitely to be represented more. And I'm sure now with a film industry that is more coordinated, organized, with this new wish to make a whole film industry, and entertain new facilities, definitely there will be more shoots here in Montenegro. Thank you so much. It was an amazing opportunity for me to discover Montenegro this way, and I hope to come back and have more conversations. Thank you.